Hello YouTube, today I'm going to teach you how to get Tinder Gold for free in 2019. This is the only working way to boost your membership, so let's get into it. The first thing that you have to do is open a browser on your mobile phone and type tinder.whitegenerator.com. Go to this website, it's tinder.whitegenerator.com. When you open this website, what you have to do here is enter your Tinder email. So I'm going to enter mine and select what smartphone you use. It's either Android or iPad, iPhone. Select the Apple. I'm going to click Android, then select what membership you want. I always recommend people to go for Tinder Gold because Tinder Gold has more benefits, better boosts, so always go for Tinder Gold and click proceed. And now the Tinder site will give me gold for free, so I'm just going to give it a few seconds right here. Okay, so we're almost done. So this is the last step. You'll just have to verify that you're not a bot. So right here it says Tinder Gold success. Ready to grant Tinder membership for free. We just need to make sure you're a human and not a bot. Please pass a human verification. After verification, Tinder membership will be enabled instantly. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Just click verify now. So this is actually for free. So every offer you'll see here will be free to do. So after you complete 2 advertisements, you will receive Tinder Gold membership for free. So right here, just read the instructions. It says complete a human verification by downloading 2 free apps from the list below and following instructions for each app. Once you have completed human verification correctly, 12 months of Tinder membership will be added to your account instantly, guys. So you will only get 1 year of membership for free. So if you want to get like 2 free years, so just do it. Use the site a few times and you'll have membership for a few years. I would recommend that. I myself have 1 year already, so after complete this tutorial I will have 2 years of Tinder Gold. So if you have already got Tinder Plus and you want to get the gold, also use this website. This is the best site to get Tinder Gold for free. So right here, as you can see, you have to complete 2 offers, and after you complete the human verification you get the membership. So just read the instructions. They are very easy offers. As you can see, I have to download and open the app for 30 seconds. So I can complete 2 offers in like 2 minutes and I get 1 year of Tinder membership, which is a crazy good deal. So again, the website is tinder.whitegenerator.com. Thank you guys for watching. If you have trouble verifying and want me to send you the membership, or you can also ask your friend to do it for you, just leave a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment your email in the comment section. I will send you Tinder membership, but you have to be a subscriber of mine. So thank you guys for watching. This is the best site to get Tinder Gold for free in 2019. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.